Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Toyota Supra MK4, inspired by Paul Walker's iconic car. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental proportions. Lightly sketch the main body and wheel arches, ensuring the car's length is roughly 3 times its height. This initial step is crucial for capturing the Supra's distinctive low-slung profile and powerful stance. Don't press too hard. These are just your guidelines. Next, let's refine the key features that make the Supra MK4 so recognizable. Carefully draw the unique headlights and the large, iconic rear wing. Don't forget the side scoops and the aggressive front bumper. Pay close attention to the 5-spoke wheels and low-profile tires, as these details significantly enhance the car's character. Consider adding the racing stripes for that authentic Paul Walker tribute. Now, it's time to bring your drawing to life with precise line work and shading. Carefully darken the main outlines, using varying line weights to create a sense of depth and form. Begin applying basic shading to illustrate the car's contours and reflections, especially on the hood and sides. Remember to highlight any chrome elements and glass surfaces to add a touch of realism to your Supra. For our final slide, we'll focus on the finishing touches. Gently erase any remaining construction lines to ensure a clean and polished look. You might add subtle background elements, like a road or a simple horizon, to enhance the overall scene. Take a moment to review your drawing, making any last-minute adjustments. If you wish, consider using colored pencils or markers to give your Supra a vibrant and dynamic final appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.